that I would just like to invite us to all together move into a time of meditation, a time of prayer, a time of connecting with the peace that we are. And so we begin this time simply by breathing into this moment, connecting deeply with the power and the presence that we are. We allow that presence to guide and direct this divine time. We allow that presence to move through us in this moment as wisdom, as love, as peace. Right here, right now, in this moment, we affirm the truth. I express the peace of God. I express the peace of God. I deny the power that outer circumstances have over me as I allow my vision, my spiritual vision, to shift and return inward. I release and I let go of those things which seek to steal my awareness of my peace. Knowing in this moment that that peace does not come from outside of me or around me, that it comes from within me. And with that as my truth, with that as my understanding, I know in this moment, no one can take it away. And so with that truth in my heart, I allow myself now to ease into the stillness, into the silence, into the oneness where it is only myself and spirit in the silence. Ever so gently, we feel ourselves being called back to this time and this place, allowing the presence of peace that we connected with to come with us. We know beyond knowing that right here, right now, that peace is who and what we are. And so we allow that peace to carry us forth throughout this day, throughout this week, throughout the rest of this experience. And it is with gratitude for that peace in our hearts that we say, thank you, Spirit. And so it is. Amen.